play with me. No play with me pitney. And that me I tell you only thing me have on this land is my blood clot pitney. You see me? And if you know say I go come fuck around me pitney, so brother, a problem and that me I tell you youth. Me a mother, me protect you all of them no matter what you say youth. Fuck you go up alive and end up alive because disrespect me youth them type of way them my youth. I don't think a joking blood clot thing. Stinking blood clot dirty TJ, you me a blood clot tag. You see how you blood clot kitty? You see you blood clot kitty, you mix up like a blood clot dog shit will have jackfruit seed in it. You come like a dog shit kitty. Well blood clot jackfruit seed in it and some peas blood clot green dirty stinking girl. Wanna feel like you're better than my blood clot family. Watch out, Father God. Agorize me. Watch out, the Creator, the Almighty, will create me and blood clot, you dirty stinking big pussy girl. Watch out, Father God, agorize me. You hear me tell you, me not stop blood clot, right? In a Jesus name, me I tell you, the Creator will create me and blood clot you. Wanna look down for my blood clot family. I will not go blood clot stop, and that me I tell you. Now come talk about thing blood clot good. Everything blood clot good. Me tell you say the devil is a liar. The devil is a liar. He is a liar. You can't get in on my blood clot way. You can't come in Jesus' blood clot name. I'm in your blood clot Annie. Remember my blood clot tell you that. You see how things go. You see when somebody have true intention. I want to fuck with them how it go. Everything good. I want to take it for fun and blood clot game. I want to style my blood clot pitney. Like my opinion on a blood clot body. Remember so I'm going to get to the one blood clot pitney. I want to have the one blood clot 12 o'clock I come. That me a blood clot tell you no. I don't know that drunker you're reaching and a sub chat, you know. Dark shit where you're reaching you suffer. Eh? Don't come over blood clot, yes sir. I don't want to know over you. Right? Because I turn the whole out over your sup and blood clot me. You understand what me I say? Look for the blood clot chat. You want to just jump in yourself because slaughter my whole blood clot family. Hope on blood clot social media tell you to say, brother, I fuck you now blood clot though. Who if you stand up and say, brother, don't do that to the woman family. Eh? No, me understand what Anna did not say. Because maybe Anna cuss every second, but Hannah, it come like Anna pick. Talk to me! And a blood clot tell me I'm in a blood clot, listen. You see me? I'm in think that I'm miserable to blood clot. God have mercy. See, I know I come back round to blood clot. I see him thing when I'm a blood clot. See, I hit blood clot happen. Remember my blood clot tell you. Don't worry. I'm not going to take on one. My God, I go deal with this. You hear me tell you? My God, I go blood clot deal with this. Wingy. Mika Boo. Of all person. Mika Boo, I want honest blood clot, girl. Mika Boo, I want honest blood clot, girl. None of you know blood clot, Mika Boo. None of you know better than Bumbo clot, Mika Boo, if you come and decide them type of way there. Me didn't know. So don't worry on the blood clot self. Here. Watch my tears. My tears fall for a reason. Remember my blood clot tell you now. So when I decide to do blood clot people, I don't think a joke. Eh? So when I decide. Eh? Talk to God Almighty truth now. When they didn't beat out TJ blood clot and look like he not no porridge in his body and look like he never drink a blood clot energy juice yet. Where did that dirty stinking blood clot TJ? Dirty blood clot TJ will wishy-washy like a blood clot dog. dog. All of the car and the big house where you're in now. You not drink no good blood clot porridge in your body drunk, bro. Eh? Dirty blood clot TJ when the man give you a bitch slap and you kin over upon the blood clot head. And kin over in the grass and your woman have to go fight for your dog shit. You should have shame the blood clot. Thinking dirty blood clot TJ. Yeah, look like a blood clot peanut shell drunk crow. And you me a blood clot talk to. You go like say you better than blood clot me pitney. Eh? Hey boy, me know why you rump with my blood clot pitney in a dirty boy. And when me have a boy them in the blood clot, oh stop me proud of my blood clot cell because you have to come from somewhere. You have to come from blood clot somewhere, drunk crow. From nothing to blood clot something. Remember my blood clot tell you that, you hear? Oh, go on, Jabbas. Yeah, this my blood clot pitney. Eh? But the day I see video them. I see how you drag my blood clot pitney like my pitney and nothing to blood clot. Eh? I don't want me laugh about it. I can't talk about me. I take things serious. Eh?
What is it, Jabbas?
Good night, Moya.
Good night.
I heard of a disagreement that took place between you and Annie and everything that is going on. I'm not here to do any judgmental argument or anything. I'm just here to say C's and this is. I don't want it to be at it or cussing. Understand me? I get to understand that you came to clarify of what was taking place and it got a little bit heated. And on behalf of us and our family, Moya, if you didn't say anything about Annie that is disrespectful and she made some statement that is disrespectful to you, I'm not here to say that we're sorry. You understand? But with the topic and everything that has been said, it went two ways. So, you know, we understand that she's in our feeling and we understand what she's coming from. But it's not needed for us to be here dragging each other, cussing and going to the extent of having enemy within our circle. Because you know that I tell her that you're not a person who come here and give any trouble or give any problem, and she agreed. You know, but she's just upset with what statement was made, and she just say, all right, then she just a block it for everybody. But however, she don't literally mean you any harm. She was just upset and was crashing out, Moya. You understand me? And I don't know if it one can just let it done right here, so as two nice female on the app, and that's it.
Okay. You finished?
Yeah.
Alright. Jabbas, let me explain something to you. And Jaden and Annie as well. You see, when I came on live, I come to play my match then. My chat was telling me that Annie over there accused TJ. And the people in my comment section, because according to the chat again, Annie telling me come live, come and defend TJ. That's not what happened. And you can ask the comment section if I lie, me tell. Because me, I'm my own big woman. I don't need to lie. I don't need to create any perfect myself. I just talk how it is. When I came on live and people were telling me that, you know what I said? I said, I have some misunderstanding. Because I don't know if TJ and Mika even know each other. TJ just get up on a class, a young girl like that. Because I even tell them, I say, if that is the truth, we'll get to him. Because I'm a girls, when I agree with man, just get up on a disrespect woman just so. Probably no reason at all. You understand? So I said it to them, I said, not more than some misunderstanding. Or TJ said something and Annie as a mother do not like it, because I even said to them, I said, guys, remember, I said, things can happen. Me can run a joke with you, Jabbas, and me really mean it as a joke, or me never think of nothing, think of it as nothing, but you don't like it and you take it as a disrespect. But I said to them, I said, why Annie couldn't, as a grown woman, just like how all of with the yourself, 4 people up on the screen, can come to TJ and say, TJ, I didn't like this what you say about my daughter. And then TJ would have been able to say to her, say, no, Annie, because I wrote him there and people tell him, say, Annie, I class him. And he might say, what me say, and maybe I've explained to him, so she never like when him say, some comparison, I guess, with Big C and Nika. Which, as I said, him can do mean it has nothing, but she, as a mother, felt disrespectful to her daughter. Nothing
That's exactly what I said too.
But you could have had justification better, considering the fact that, remember, say Annie and TJ don't have nothing. I don't know of them. And I'm like, alright, you see if them did have beef from before, fine. What TJ ever tell my daughter for? Come class him, nothing wrong with that, because you don't have something. You and TJ don't have nothing at all. If you come to a point where you hear one thing and you don't like it, and the first thing came to your mind is just come class and bring him down. Go as far as we talk about the assault, where one thing about me, I take that cross my heart, because as I'm telling you, only those who have experienced it can understand. That is a night where I could have watched him lose his life. I'm gonna run joke about that. So you see, when it got as far as that, out of nowhere, because remember, we never have beef from long time, we never go down Emmanuel Road. It's just something that he said that you don't like, and as I said, that is, you are entitled to your feelings, and nobody not discredit how you feel, or take, if you feel like say it was disrespectful to you and your daughter, no problem. But it's how you handle the situation that I didn't like. Granted, as I said, when I came on here, and them can pull by the screen recordings, I never just here say, yeah, class, man, I'm just come class. I did not do that. I never serve him either. I just tell him, say, guys, I have some misunderstanding. Because at the end of the day, I don't know any of y'all, but I know my man. I know when people are doing, I know when we'll do from what he won't do. So I even go as far as ask them. I say, guys, it's a case where Mika did say something first and then TJ answer, and I said, come get to understand. So it was just a conversation between 4 people, and he made that remark and you didn't like it. Fine. From night, I said to them, say, guys, tell Annie to add me, because I want to know, because he's not live. I'm going to tell him, say, go address it. I'm me the live. So I just want to know if you can tell him, say, Ray, right? I say, guys, tell Annie to add me to add me. Them say, she come off, like, I say, all right, then make it stay. Fine. Oh, out of nowhere, I say, the people just come from my live, and your class, I say, over there, defend your man. I say, what? I say, guys, make sure add me. To add me.
I said, I'm million universe, I just say, who's in the tonight. Go on.
To add me. But then if she just did already upset, I say, what is the issue? Right? She say, my man is a bitch. No, bear in mind, I come to you with respect. Nobody I disrespect you. But that I got trigger me now, because me not gonna sit down with no man. Me and them attack, I had to me say, my man is a bitch. That trigger me now. Still never answer with no disrespect, you know, me I try to get to the bottom. Come on, just want to know. Just tell me what my man said for disrespect here, so me can either apologize for him, explain to you, say, Annie, him never mean for disrespect Mika, because remember, teacher don't know Mika from there if just come and disrespect her out of nowhere. You know what I think is the problem? And she might disagree, and it might make she start cuss again, and that is fine. The teacher is not any problem. Kitty is not any problem. Any problem is Jaden. And I can tell you, Annie, want to you see all of this that's happening to Mika, I might tell her to her face because I say it already off here. I can't tell anybody anything to them face. You see all of this situation that is happening right now, and he's mad at Jaden for it. But you don't want to class Jaden. Either she's scared for class Jaden because some people are going to attack her, or she just wants to keep the relationship between them. But Annie's not mad at TJ, and he's not mad at Kitty, or whoever else is there, Jaden she want for class.
So
no,
wait.
Annie cuss him, Annie deal with him.
Annie, if you want to cuss me, just cuss me.
We're not talking about that right now.
Alright, listen now.
No, wait, no, Jabaz come on to make it clear, because she came over here and said that me, 2 things she said with me disagreed, and I just blatant lie. I'm not like people say lie for me. 1, she said that me come defend my man and a class, and that's why she stopped for me. Wrong.
Yeah, you come defend your man for true.
You
defend your man before the conversation even starts.
Ask a chat for me if I come and defend him. If even 2 people tell you that, I work with what you say. If 2 people tell us I come and start class for TJ, and I'm me first.
I never say your class me. I never say your class me, you know. Your first you say he didn't do it.
I heard from the senior card, you tell them to me,
your first thing you said he didn't do it. When the conversation did start, you make it clear your man didn't do it. Yeah.
Alright, Annie, if you say so. Yo, when you start disrespect me, at that time I disrespect you, Annie. Because I ask the people them from that, I keep on say, I actually like Annie, I support you and your family on this thing from a long time. I don't, it actually make me feel away for no say, may I have no farm argument, because I never think it necessary. Alright, this is how I keep on preach from the up to Annie. You see, as grown people, all of we are big people. No matter what age, all of we are big people. People must can learn to have conversation without it becoming who under who for this post bad or post pin. You don't have to reach there. So you never like something that TJ said. Granted, you are entitled to feel how you want to feel, because you're an adult and you're a human being. If you never like the way how him compare to Bixie or whatever the case is, it's simple. You could have either text him Annie, or if you want to say it up in the public, say if you do it in the public, you could have wait till him come live and add him, just like how you there start talk to Jabas and Jaden. You could have add him and say, teacher, I'm never rate that, because of that I say with Jaden today. I see add him and say, I think it's the live, and I remember how it go. But the same way how you could have a justification with everybody else directly to them face, I don't think that the situation was this great or terrible for you to come and a class him do what you class him.
It's terrible enough where everybody take the situation. When him don't do what him a do, everybody a drag my daughter and the media. So Maya, you can't tell me.
Maya,
You cannot tell me how to deal with the situation.
Maya,
You standing up for my child. You cannot tell me how to deal with the situation.
It's not TJ make people drag your daughter. That's crazy of you to even say.
Maya,
TJ make people drag your daughter Mika. A TJ make people class Mika. That's what you think? That TJ the reason why
people said that's what me think.
That's what you're
it's what him
saying.
said and how him said it in the video. You understand me speaking about my daughter like my daughter is nobody.
And I'm saying to you, Annie, I guess still not get. I am saying you are entitled to feel how you want to feel, and I can apologize if you feel like I'm trying to take away what you're feeling. You are entitled to feel that way, but I'm also saying that you could have handled this situation in a more mature way, because I've seen people say worse on this internet about you and your family, or I've seen most people say worse, do worse all the time, and you handle it differently. It never needs to come down to this, especially because you and TJ don't have anything from before. That's what TJ said. Yes, you feel away, but you could have handled it better.
Okay, Maya.
You have to reach that far.
Maya, wait now. Hold on, Maya.
Hold on, brushy. Wait now. Hold on, brushy.
Maya, if you understand, say.
Hold on, brushy.
Let me hear what Jaden is saying.
Maya,
Hold on, brushy. Hold on, brushy. Hold on, man. Annie, in other words, what I'm saying is that Maya is saying that she doesn't disagree with you feeling away and taking it how you take it. What she's saying is she's saying that maybe you could have
Why you repeat it? If you like say woman done, why you repeat what
That me I say.
support the woman with it.
Never said to you.
Support the woman
I
with
have
it.
repeated like say me I don't say that
problem. I cause the whole problem. I
Yeah,
Jaden
no,
cause the
no,
problem.
no,
I cause the problem. And Jaden cause the blood clot.
I'm not joking,
We
brother.
don't rate that.
Brother, I'm not rate that non-fucking call. And that me I tell you.
And how will this start?
Are you?
Them a say Annie sell out her daughter for 5 bills. How that thought they come? I know me bring that thought there, bro. I know me bring that thought there, bro. I know me.
never said I know say Annie in her temper and she feel away about situation. So I explain to her till I say the girl is not disagreeing with her. She's saying that she agree with her feeling away.
Jabas. I'm not there at Jamal school. I understand what she said.
Yes.
All right.
Yeah.
Apology, yeah, Annie.
Another thing too, Annie cannot say me come this. I never disrespect Annie none at all. Until to start this is until not alright for sure you. Should they bring me down our class, whatever no one call it, before me even add her to the screen. And even then when people tell me say she a class me never class. You know, when I started to disrespect her back, after my add her on the screen, I disrespect me in front of my face, and after coming back, I come to her to try to solve the problem now, you know, because I tell you, alright, you feel away. Me never even have no problem for apologize to her on behalf of him. Or even go to him, because I tell you already, Jabbers. And who know me know. Me's a serious person. If him do something when I don't like, I'm always the first to tell him when he come off and I've said, me not like that, try not to do it as some mistake. Me not gonna do it in the public like what people want me for the true word. Me not gonna do it in front of people because me just find that disrespectful to your partner. But me will tell him when him wrong off ear. So when I came to Annie, all I wanted to know was what him say, what make you feel away so that I know how to address the situation. I never come and defend him and bring her down.